Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to render employee information dynamically using Django template tags. If you are working with Django and want to display dynamic data in templates, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, we have to create a view to render employee data and configure the URL. Now let's create a view to pass employee data to the template. So now I'm going to open a template app inside views.py. Under the template, we'll open views.py. I'll write a function for render the employee details. Definition render employee template. Request. I'll write one dictionary. Let's assume it is my dictionary. So as you know, the dictionary is having key value pair. So my key is ID and the value will be 101 and the next key value is, I'll take name. You can make it as easy to learn. And the next field will be salary and the value will be, let's say, 90,000. And then I need to render this dictionary. So I'm going to use return render of request. I need to create an employee template in the folder called template app. So what is the path? Template app. Inside I will create employee template dot html. Then I'll pass an argument of this my dictionary, whatever you have created. Then you need to configure the URL pattern in the main template project and urls.py. Now I'm going to set the URL path. The name will be employee views dot render employee template. Now let's create a template to display employee data dynamically. Where I have to create, I need to go to the inside template project. Under this we have a folder templates and template app. Here I am going to create new file. The name of the file is, we already mentioned the HTML file is employee template .html. Now I'm going to create this HTML template. The first step is you need to write the doc type and you need to write the load static file. That is the first step. Let's see. Next I'm going to write the HTML basic structure and we have to go with header tag and then we have a title tag. After this we'll have body tag. Now let me write the title is employee template. Title will be employee template and instead of the body I'm going to write the header tag welcome to employee template. And then with s2 tag I'll write employee details and I'll create one UL tag. Instead of the UL we'll have a li tag. First one is employee ID. So what is the tag? Here we have the tag variable is id, and then I'll copy this li tag and I'll write employee name. The tag name is name. The tag we need to enclose with the two curling braces, which is already learned in the previous videos. And the third field is employee salary. That's it. I'm going to save this. And the next step is we need to run the server and we need to test it. So I'll go to the command prompt. Then I'll move template project. Here I'll write python manage.py run server. Here is the output, and let me run this. Yeah, as a base page we got welcome to template app. This is the index page, and I'll write the tag employee here. Yeah, here is the details. This is the name we have given employee. So welcome to employee template, and the employee details are employee ID, name, salary. So these dictionary values we have passed here, and we got the output. And there you have the output. We successfully displayed employee data using Django template tags. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Django tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.